Hello everyone again, and welcome to week 2 instructor overview. Each week I will post a video to talk about what's going on with the course and what we can expect for that week moving forward. So hopefully by this time everyone has had a chance to participate in last week's discussion topic. By now you should have contributed your 3 posts to that discussion for last week. For this week, you go ahead and click on discussion 2.1 for week 2 and simply follow the steps. This week's discussion is going to cover the operational characteristics of different types of aircraft engines, namely the turboprop engine, the turbojet engine, and the turbofan engine. The initial post for that is due on Wednesday. So your initial post is due on Wednesday, and then you need 2 subsequent posts by the end of the week, by the close of the school week on Sunday night. So go ahead and get those taken care of. Obviously, you don't have to wait until Wednesday to do your initial post, but it needs to be posted by then, no later than then. For this week, our assigned reading for week number 2, go ahead and go online and click on reading. Once you do that, you will see that this week's reading is again out of the Turbine Pilot's Flight Manual. This week we're going to go ahead and cover chapters 3, 4, and 5. Chapter 3, Turbine Engine and Propeller Systems. Chapter 4, Turbine Aircraft Power Systems, and Chapter 5, Major Aircraft Systems. Also, for the assigned reading for week 2, we have Flying Big Jets, your Flying Big Jets book. There's a section in there called Aircraft Systems. It's kind of towards the back of the book. It's really short, about 7 pages or so. That's actually pages 138 to 145. Aircraft systems in the Flying Big Jets. Also, additionally, for your reading, go ahead and look in Flying Big Jets, and we're going to read about APUs, auxiliary power units, and that's on pages 36 and 37. For this week's assignment, go ahead online again and click on assignment 2.1. When you do that, you're going to see that this week's assignment is going to have to do with the similarities in aircraft systems. As you are going through your reading and these different systems are presented to you, this week your assignment is going to pertain to the similarities in these systems. So, for example, how is a fuel system similar to a pneumatic system? In its operation, in its principles, or even are there some components of each that are shared between the systems? What components does a hydraulic system have in common with a fuel system? Those are just a couple of examples. Again, send me an email or send me a text if you have any questions on that. Just go online, click assignment 2.1, and follow the steps and instructions on that. Lastly, we're going to introduce our course project. Our course project is not due for a while. The course project's actually due at the end of week 10. But go ahead and click on course project and read the steps and directions to that. Again, this course project's not due until week 10, but by this Sunday, by the end of this school week, I'm going to need your written proposal on what exactly it is that you are going to do your project on. So go online, click on course project, and read the steps and instructions for that, and that is due also by the close of the school week on Sunday night. Okay, that's it for this week's instructor overview. Remember, success for this online class or any other online class is going to require good time management. Please don't fall behind on the reading. Participation in this week's discussion. I look forward to hearing from all of you all. Keeping current with all the assignments and ask questions. Please do ask questions. Lastly, pay attention, please, to all of the due dates. If you have any questions about when something is due, go ahead and click on it, and the due dates are written on there. And obviously, ask me if you have any questions. Until next week, happy studying.